how to change DoorDash location to a different state. So I'll show you for both the DoorDash app and the Dasher app, so if you're a Dasher. So first for DoorDash here, we will click on the DoorDash application itself, and if we want to change to a different state, we will select the address in the top left. Now from here, we will just search for the new address in the different state. So let's say that we want to do Kentucky here, and we will choose the new address accordingly. Here you can adjust the PIN and fill out all of the information, and you will just click on save address. Now if you are a DoorDash Dasher and you want to change to a different state, all you have to do is load up the DoorDash Dasher application, and it's automatically going to detect that you are in a different state. If you select Dash Now, it is automatically going to detect and update your information. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.